Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to use the wishlist feature in the Udemy application. To use the wishlist feature in the Udemy app, first of all, open up Udemy application on your mobile device and log into your account. Now search or browse for a course you are interested in. Once you find the course that you're interested in and once you open up this info page, scroll down and tap on Add to Wishlist. After you do that, you will be able to see that the course has now been added to the wishlist. If you ever want to find your courses that you've added to the list, you'll need to tap on the wishlist button from the home page, and all of the courses that you've added will be displayed there. You can come back anytime to this wishlist tab and purchase a course from your list. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.